Welcome back, beauties. This is going to be today's tutorial on this gorgeous spooky design. We are doing a manicure for her nails, so I'm going to start off by applying, after prepping the nail, we're adding base gel coat, and I love our base coat. It is amazing, and the application when it comes to polish and such is amazing. Now I'm adding a structured gel on her, and this is just to keep her natural long beautiful nails strong and sturdy. And when I do this, I do like to do like 2 to 3 nails at a time and cure, like a flash cure. And she wanted to do like a little spooky design, but also not too spooky. So we went ahead and did this, and I mixed these two colors together to create red and black, to create like a blood color, not super red. And we ended up with that. Now we're using our number 8, which is a nude. And this is such a beautiful nude too. It's almost like a skin tone color. We're doing another nude, and this is more of a natural translucent, almost, but coverage nude. And for those, we're going to be doing a French tip. Now we're adding another coat of our nude base, and these are so cute. These nudes are so nice. And then we're cleaning it up with our manicure brush. And after I applied the structure gel, I did buff out the nail. And then I'm adding our glitter reflective, silver glitter reflective glitter. Such a beautiful color, and the shine is immaculate. Now we're adding more nude on these, and they are kind of different on both hands just because she doesn't, I asked her if she wanted the same design or different, slightly different. You'll see what I'm talking about in a little bit. Now we're going in with the second coat of our nude, and look how beautiful this coverage is. Such a lovely color. And then usually I always add 2 coats when it comes to these colors. Now I'm adding some Galaxy Halo, pretty much like a chrome powder on top. It's like glitter flakes. I'm applying it on top of the glitter. And usually you add a top coat for this, but I didn't. I just did that and it still adhered to it. Now we're creating some blood drops, and there is many ways to create this. I did it like so. With the dots first, and then I just made it look more realistic when I drag the blood upward towards the cuticle. And see how it's not red, but it's like a dark tone, like really nice color. Clean it up with my manicure brush, and then I'm doing a black French tip with the longest striping brush on our kit. And always make sure you guys have your balance with your pinky. This will help you guys a lot. And don't worry if you guys don't get it perfectly. You guys always have the French manicure brush to help you guys clean it up. And I'm also doing that on the pinky. Now I'm grabbing my French manicure cleanup brush and a little bit of acetone. Always make sure you don't drench it in acetone because you don't want to mess up the whole design. Like you see here, nothing always comes out perfect at first. Trust me, it's a process.
Hi, I'm Myra Vargas, creator and owner of Artistry Nails. Are you interested in becoming a nail technician but don't know where to start? Well, this is your opportunity to learn from me and my 15 years of experience in the nail industry. My Beginner's Acrylic Nails course is a perfect start for you. In this program, I will be sharing the basics of acrylic nails, schooling, and everything in between on how to become a successful nail tech. I'm excited to offer you all my knowledge in this program that's perfectly designed to help you get started with your nail career. Make sure to purchase your program today. This program is available in both English and Spanish. Again, thank you. I'm Myra Vargas. I'm excited to be a part of your growth as a nail technician.
If you guys are not following us on Instagram and TikTok, definitely follow. We post daily short form content there and always post the latest and greatest products, etc. So many things, designs, inspiration, everything. And on YouTube, we do post 2 videos per week now. We're going to begin doing that. And you see, nothing comes out perfect at first. Like you saw, I wrote something down, then I took it off. And I just changed my brush to a smaller brush. I didn't really like the way it looked earlier, so I removed it. And then it's also very light. So just always make sure you guys are satisfied with the look. If you guys are happy with it, then your clients will love it too. And this is pretty much Scream is No You Hang Up. And then I'm always curing in between each design. Now right here, we're creating Ghost Face. And as you can see, I outlined it black first. Now I'm outlining his face with the white. And remember, you guys can always go back with black to kind of reshape his face. Like I'm gonna do so in a little bit. And you'll see how, because you'll see the difference when it comes down to the end result. Now I'm adding a little bit of blood, so you say. I'm adding it with the brush first, and then I'm removing it with acetone and my French manicure brush, like so. Kind of making it look like there's like blood stains. And look at that, so nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create his face, which is his eyes, his nose, and his mouth. And it's almost like a slanted look. And you'll see in a little bit, I will correct a little bit of his mouth later on in the video because it kind of was a little bit too wide. Just wanted to make it like more on the curvier side instead of more ovally. But yeah, guys, I applied matte top coat on these. I love how it is. Just makes it stand out a little bit more. We're using our newest stain resistant top coat here, which will be available to purchase soon. Like I said, stay tuned on our Instagram. We'll release the date soon and you will love it, guys. Look how gorgeous the shine is. And it's not a thick consistency either, guys. Now I'm applying a different top coat on here just because I don't like the glitter chunks to come off on the top coat sometimes. And as you can see, I'm correcting it with white, just very minimal. It's nothing major. Now I'm adding a little bit of blood stains as well on his face. And we did a little bit of a spice things up a little bit. We did do some glow in the dark for Ghost Face, and it's a top coat, so you'll see in a little bit what I created. And like I said, we're curing every time we do something on the nail. Look at that, so beautiful. Spooky and cute at the same time. Now we're adding a top coat, which is the matte, and then what we're gonna do is add the glow in the dark top coat only on his face. And then this is our stain resistant top coat, and then this is another top coat so we won't mess up our regular top coat. And these are just beautiful, guys. I really like how they're, especially her natural nails. And we've been growing them out for some time too. So this is the glow in the dark top coat like I mentioned earlier. And we just cure that, and look at that, so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Till next time.